Hey guys, it's Lisa here, and I am on Pinterest and I'm doing some mock-ups. And I've had a few people ask me about how I do this, so I thought I'd jump on and show you. I've gone down this rabbit hole in Pinterest that I'm really enjoying. Sometimes I go on Pinterest and I look for wall art photos and I don't find anything, but today I'm finding a lot. So it's a good day to show you. So I started by putting in a search for wall art, and then I was clicking, and I came into this feed that's got a lot of blank walls here that I like because I can just copy and paste my artwork right on top of these photographs. So when I'm looking for a good picture to do these mock-ups with, I want something that's front facing and that doesn't have any obstacles. Like I couldn't put a copy of a photo here because it's got this little lamp here. So this is a good one. I like this one. That one was another one. So I'm in my Pinterest feed here. This one would not be good because it's got this coral here, this bowl of coral that's in front of this print. But this one is fantastic. Look at this big wall just waiting for a piece of art to be put on it. So I'm going to save it. And I have a folder I created that's called Mockups right here. And I've got all these mockups that I've saved. This one is even sweet for like a tiny little print for the bathroom. This one is good here. I like to find these pictures that already have a frame with a mat in it. And then I can go in and just paste my own picture right on top of here. So people can see how the artwork would look on an actual wall and they're not just looking at a picture. This is a good one if you have a long, narrow piece of art. I'm going to save this one here. This one's not good. I don't know how to, well, it's not good for me because I don't know how to place my images on anything that's not completely front facing. I don't know how to skew them yet. I haven't learned that. So I don't like pictures like that. Let's see, let's just find maybe one more. This is kind of cute. So this person is selling wallpaper, but they give you a nice picture that you can use to put your artwork on. All right, so then I'm going to jump over to my photo editing software. I use Photoshop Elements. Photoshop Elements is not the full version of Photoshop, so I do a lot of color correcting and I can watermark from here, but I don't have to learn the full-blown Photoshop, so that was nice. It's pretty easy to use once you know how. So this is a photo that I saved off Pinterest. I think they were selling bedding or something, and it had this picture here of these palm fronds, and I copied and pasted a picture of a pelican, of my own pelican that I did, on top of that picture, and then put my little logo up here. And now I have a mock-up so people can see how my artwork would look hanging on their walls. This is another example of one I did. So this picture had another piece of art on it, and I think this one was selling the couch. So these advertisers really give you a good opportunity to get some good photos for free. I know a lot of people buy mock-ups, and I've bought mock-ups before as well. And that's great and fine, but I don't know. We're in the middle of COVID, and I'm trying not to spend any money, so I'm copying pictures off of Pinterest here. So this is a piece that Stacy and I did together. It's a collaboration. I did all this floral up here in paper, and she did the face and the in wax pastels. Okay, so here's one that I liked, and I'm going to put this little dog on it, this little pug and hedgehog. Okay, so I'm not going to show you how to use Photoshop per se, but I'll just show you how I mock these things up real quick here. So I pulled my picture on top of this photo, and it's going to be large, a little larger than it should be, so I'm going to bring it down in size. And then I like to drop a shadow on it so that it looks like it's actually hanging on the wall. You see how that darkened right underneath the picture, and you can play with the opacity, or you can make a shadow fall. Okay, and then I would add my little logo and save it as a file, and then I have a nice mock-up to show people. So I hope that helps a little bit. If you have any questions, be sure and you can contact me at Lisa at lisamoralesmixedmedia.com, and follow me on Instagram at A Pinch of Wonderful. Thanks. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye-bye.